LinkedIn is perhaps the biggest and the best way for you to get jobs and internships in this corporate world. Recruiters love a great LinkedIn profile which is highly optimized for jobs. But how do you actually make these LinkedIn profiles which recruiters love? Well, that is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, who am I कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ LinkedIn प्रोफाइल के बारे में. तो LinkedIn प्रोफाइल का वीडियो है. I'll show you my LinkedIn profile. So I am a graduate from IIT Kharagpur. I was an SDE at Amazon. Then I got laid off from Amazon in the January of 2023 along with 18,000 other people. I was jobless for 2 months, and all because of LinkedIn and this profile of mine. I got multiple job opportunities, and I finally joined. I switched to product management and joined Contlo which is a SaaS startup. So मतलब मैं भी इस रिसेशन में सेम चीज़ में ही था. आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी जॉब. आई वॉज होपलेस. आई वॉज डेवस्टेटेड. मम्मी पापा को क्या बताऊँ. एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू लिंक्डइन एंड दिस प्रोफाइल आई वॉज एबल टू गेट दिस जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो मतलब थोड़ा क्रेडिबिलिटी है टू टेल यू कि हाउ लिंक्डइन वर्क्स एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक अ ग्रेट लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. So how we'll do this video is that I will review my own profile and I will give you tips. I'll say कि ये करना चाहिए, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, and so that you guys believe me कि all that I'm speaking actually makes sense. I'm also going to be showing you 3 other great LinkedIn profiles ताकि you guys are assured कि हाँ भाई ये बंदा बकवास नहीं कर रहा है. So these 3 other LinkedIn profiles are Ishan Sharma, who is the founder of MarketUp, Kushal Vijay, who is an SDE at Microsoft, and then we have Gauri, who is a product manager at Uber. So using these 3 profiles जो बहुत varied है कि एक software engineer है, एक CEO है और एक product manager है, you guys will see कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ, मैं जो tips दे रहा हूँ या फिर मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ कि how you can make a great LinkedIn profile is actually the same, and all of these guys are actually following those things, and that is why they are at these amazing positions in their companies. Or even like when you're a CEO, you have to maintain that you have a great profile, you have a great personality, so you can make this. Like in Ishan's case, Ishan does not do a job. So yeah. So first आते हैं हम लोग profile picture पे. तो profile picture, as you can see, I'm in a suit, I'm looking professional, there is bright light on my face and it's a close-up picture of my face. I'm not very far away, दिख ही नहीं रहा है मेरे को, वैसा नहीं है. And I've given this yellow background so that it helps my profile picture pop out than the rest of the people. Suppose like you're applying for a job and there are 100 other applicants and सबका ऐसा black background, your face is not visible, and then your profile picture comes which has a yellow background and it pops out. Basically it pops out more, right? The recruiter's eye will go there. That's why I've given this, and plenty of other people do it as well. You can do it. You can use any other color. I use yellow because yellow pops out. I feel yellow बहुत अच्छा color है इसीलिए. Similarly, you can see Ishan. Ishan also has a very close-up picture, bright light shining on his face. Kushal, again a close-up picture, bright light. He's looking professional. He's giving a talk. तो वैसा लग रहा है. Same with Gauri, a very close-up picture, as you can see, and with bright light, her face is easily visible. Now we have covered profile picture. The next most important part that recruiters will see is your LinkedIn headline. Headline कौन सा एरिया है? ये वाला part. Now this is a mistake that I've seen a lot of people do. लोग लिख देते हैं कि looking for data science, looking for software engineering roles. भाई इससे लोग को क्या पता चलेगा कि तुम क्या हो, तुम कौन हो? मतलब if you see these कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट जो तुम्हारे पास आते हैं, व्हाट डू यू सी? तुम्हारा हेडलाइन दिखता है, तुम्हारा नाम दिखता है, तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल पिक्चर दिखता है, राइट? सो अगर ये 3 चीज दिखता है, इफ यू से कि लुकिंग फॉर डेटा साइंस रोल्स, लुकिंग फॉर दिस, हाउ आर रिक्रूटर्स गोना जज यू कि भाई तेरे को आता है कि नहीं, वेदर यू नो एनीथिंग और नॉट? In these LinkedIn headlines, what you have to do, what you have to write about is about your experience, कि तुमने क्या उखाड़ा है, कि मेरा ये experience है, मैंने इधर इधर काम किया, I was a product manager here, like I have explained here, like basically things that you're proud about. So I've written here कि I'm a product manager at Contlo, which is my present position. I'm an ex-SDE at Amazon, I'm proud about. I'm a IIT Kharagpur graduate, I'm proud about. I'm a YouTuber. Similarly, if you go to Ishan's profile, right, you will see he is writing I'm building Centaur and MarketUp. He's proud about it. He's a YouTuber. He's from Bits Goa. He's helping brands grow on YouTube. Basically, looking at these, recruiters will feel कि हाँ भाई इस बंदे को आता है. Similarly, look at Kushal. Kushal में लिखा है software engineer at Microsoft. Then 100K LinkedIn, which is something he's proud about. He's an international PyCon speaker, YouTuber. ये सब चीजें लिखा है. Similarly, Gauri, simple, product manager at Uber, ex Blinkit, Bits Pilani, things that she's proud about. keep it simple, keep it about the things that you're proud about and which shows the recruiter कि हाँ भाई मैंने काम किया है, मैंने उखाड़ा है. Don't write looking for data science roles, looking for this, looking for that. That does not make sense, especially when you're applying for jobs. तुम्हारा हेडलाइन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वो दिखता है रिक्रूटर को एंड इट immediately pops out कि हाँ भाई इसको हायर करेंगे, इसको लेना है. Now that your LinkedIn profile picture and LinkedIn headline is done, the next thing that recruiters look at is your experience. And your experience here should be exactly like how it is written in your CV in details. क्या impact create की हो, क्या नहीं की हो, what is the technology that you learned, what are the different skills that you learned. ये experience में होना चाहिए. You should not absolutely keep it blank. When the recruiters come to your profile, they should feel कि हाँ I have all the information that I need of this applicant and I do not have to look here and there for his CV, इसने क्या impact किया, क्या नहीं किया. Everything is clearly visible in his LinkedIn profile. Example देखना है, see my profile, जहाँ पे मेरे experience section में I'm currently working at Contlo, so मैंने इधर कुछ details लिखा नहीं है, but if you see my experiences at Amazon, मैंने इधर details में लिखा है कि मैंने क्या काम किया है, what are the skills that I learned, what are the technologies that I worked with, सब कुछ मैंने details में लिखा है. Similarly, for my product management role at Mad About Sports, I've been a little informal. He got promoted to a full-time employee, basically थोड़ा show off करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ to my recruiter. And then I've written in details about what did I work on, what did I help, how did I help these people. How did I help this company? Similarly, for every kind of experience, actually, even the first internship that I ever did, which is the deep learning internship at Ativa, मैंने इधर भी details में लिखा है कि what did I work on, and that is exactly what you're gonna have to do as well if you want your recruiters to understand कि तुमने क्या काम किया and what impact did you create. You can't just leave this empty. Similarly, मैं अब तुमको कुशाल का दिखाता हूँ. कुशाल का भी, if you see this Microsoft experience, he has written in details कि what he has worked upon, what is the team he has worked upon, what impact he has created. Similarly, for back-end engineering intern, he has written in details what are the skills he has learned, what are the technologies that he has worked with. Similarly, he has done an internship at Microsoft. उधर भी details में लिखा है. And similarly, गौरी के profile में भी जाऊँ, she's working at Uber, so she has not written anything. But Blinkit में she was an associate product manager. यहाँ पे she has written in details about what she did. And for all of the experiences that she has done, she has written everything in details. मैं ईशान का नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ because ईशान obviously does not work, तो recruiters के लिए इतना valuable नहीं होता है. But still, if you see Ishan's experience, you will see that he has written things, मतलब थोड़ा details में. I've seen these things empty in people's LinkedIn profile, and that is definitely not good. But he does not need to worry about that. He's not looking for jobs. He's a content creator. He has his own startup. So in इसका profile उतना valuable नहीं है. I'm just showing you as an example of a varied, like different kinds of LinkedIn profiles कैसे होते हैं. And all of these follow the same rules. Now next is your about section. Personally, I like to keep my about section very story-like. यहाँ पे मैं अपना पूरा story develop कर रहा हूँ कि I'm a product manager, Contlo, मैं क्या क्या किया हूँ, कहाँ से हूँ. This kind of a cover letter I feel, जहाँ पे I am basically explaining कि मैं कौन हूँ, why have I done the things that I have done, मेरे क्या क्या experiences है, cover letter form में लिख रहा हूँ. And this has 2600 characters that you can fill. तो यहाँ पे मैं basically बहुत informal हो रहा हूँ to my recruiter or anyone that I am optimizing my profile for. And उनको बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरा story है. And basically reading this, maybe I've seen interviewers basically have a connection to the people that they're interviewing कि हाँ इसके ऊपर बात कर सकते हो, इस बंदे ने इधर ये लिखा था. Similarly, you can see for Ishan, his about section में भी he likes to have this kind of a story जहाँ पे वो लिखा है कि ये क्या क्या किया है. He does podcast, he does a marketing agency, electrical engineering degree से drop out कर दिया था. Now again, Kushal does things very differently. He just writes a single paragraph जहाँ पे कि I am a software engineer who does this. Then अपने achievements, अपने links, GitHub links, lead code link, ये link, वो link, सारे link इधर दे दिया है. क्या क्या technology सीखा है, क्या क्या tools सीखा है, क्या क्या tech stack जानता है वो, ये सब लिख दिया है. So this is also a style which people can use. Now again, like I said, ये बहुत vary करता है about section सब में, but Gauri just writes it pretty simple कि मैं क्या करता हूँ, what do I like. This basically is sparking a conversation with the people that looks at you. So about section बहुत vary करता है, but I would suggest you can either write it Kushal style or मेरा या फिर मेरा है फिर ईशान का स्टाइल, where you write a story about yourself, basically what you are, kind of a cover letter. So these were the 3 most important things that made your LinkedIn profile good. But if you want to take your LinkedIn profile from being good to being great, you can do these other things as well. For example, for starters, you can start with recommendations. तो मैं जब Amazon छोड़ा था, I made sure that I got recommendations from every person in my team and my teammates जो दूसरे टीम में थे, any person that I've worked with. And these recommendations really matter when suppose तुम्हारा ले ऑफ हो गया या फिर you want to show कि हाँ भाई मैंने उखाड़ा है, मैंने जो पिछले कंपनी में काम किया है, my manager, my senior ups, all of them respected me, I did a great job, they all recommended me. So these things matter when you're applying for jobs, and recruiters love this. Next important thing which I feel is the licenses and certifications, especially in product management, since it's a soft skill kind of a thing. तो product management में these certifications kind of matter कि तुमने क्या certification किया है, क्या किया है. So ये you can mention, but technical में उतना matter नहीं करता है. All that matters is your skill. So like I said, मतलब experience, headlines, profile picture, those are more important, but these are also important things that recruiters might look. Suppose तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल और किसी और का प्रोफाइल बहुत क्लोज है, तो दे माइट लुक एट दीज थिंग्स टू जज यू कि हाँ कौन बेटर है कौन नहीं है. उसके बाद मैटर करता है एजुकेशन. लाइक ऑब्वियसली इन इंडिया Tier 1 Tier 2 मैटर करता है. अगर तुम Tier 1 कॉलेज से हो तो यू कैन ऑब्वियसली मेंशन कि तुम IIT खड़गपुर या फिर जो भी Tier 1 कॉलेज है वो मेंशन करो, खाली मत रखो इसको. बट इवन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम Tier 2 Tier 3 cities, प्लीज डू नॉट कीप दिस सेक्शन एम्प्टी. राइट डाउन CGPA, राइट डाउन कि तुम कौन से सोसाइटीज़ में थे, तुम क्या किए थे. सपोज यू आर फ्रॉम गूगल डेवलपर्स क्लब या फिर यू आर सम अदर कोडिंग सोसाइटी या फिर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट सोसाइटी. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो थिंग्स दैट रिक्रूटर्स लुक एट कि तुमने क्या एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर वगैरह किया है. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम अ स्कूल, तुमने 90% 80% ये सब मिला है, यू शुड राइट देम डाउन, बिकॉज रिक्रूटर्स को मतलब दे शुड, मतलब उनको ऐसा नहीं फील होना चाहिए कि एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन इज मिसिंग. So write everything down and then let the recruiters choose कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. But yeah, sometimes you can play this trick कि percentage avoid कर दो if it's not good. That is something that you can do. But if your rest of the profile is great and your class 10 में तुमको 70% मिला था, 80% मिला था, मतलब 80% मिला था, then you can choose to avoid it on your LinkedIn profile. Next, we have something very important, which is the project section. You can simply mention your GitHub projects that you have done, all the projects. तुम्हारा product management का project हो, तुम्हारा software development का project, or any field, data science, कुछ भी field, you have to mention your project because recruiters को then directly दिख जाएगा तुम्हारे LinkedIn profile में कि these are the projects that you have done. मेरे 2-3 projects है which I have mentioned here कि ये मेरे first year, second year में थे. And I've also mentioned a link to my GitHub profile so that people can check my GitHub profile. And that is it. Hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more. As a gift for you guys, I'm going to be reviewing 5 of your LinkedIn profiles and gonna give actionable insights on it live on my YouTube channel. So there's a form link down in the description. Go check that out. Go fill that. And I'm gonna choose 5 people whose LinkedIn profiles I'm gonna review. And I'm going to be doing it live so that you guys can also understand कि एक recruiters का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है, एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या होता है व्हेन दे आर लुकिंग एट पीपल दे वांट टू हायर. मेरा भी 1 साल एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. आई हैव सीन इनफ सीवीज, आई इंटरव्यू पीपल रेगुलरली, सो आई हैव माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस and I hope that will be fruitful to you guys. So do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.